recipe is jam drop biscuits. So what you'll need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got 1 cup here of self-raising flour, a drizzle of vanilla, 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. I've got 125 grams of butter, which I've slightly softened, and then we're going to be using around 1/3 of a cup of strawberry jam. Now to make the recipe, what we're going to do is whisk together all our ingredients minus our jam. And then we're going to make little biscuits using about a tablespoon amount of mixture. We're going to pop it into our lined tray, and we're going to make a little indentation with our thumb in the center of our biscuit. That's where we're going to pop about a teaspoon of the jam. We're then going to bake that in the oven, which has been preheating at 180 degrees for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. When they're nice and golden, we're going to take them out, allow them to cool completely, and then we can dig in.